Hello cloud learners. Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today, we're breaking down Amazon VPC, a virtual private cloud, the key to secure networking in AWS. Like and subscribe, and let's jump in. A VPC is your private, isolated section of the AWS cloud. It's like your own virtual network where you control IP addresses, subnets, and routing. You can launch EC2 instances, RDS databases, or other resources securely within your VPC. VPCs let you define subnets for public or private access. You control security with security groups and network ACLs. Need to connect to the internet? Use an internet gateway. Want to link to your on-premises network? VPC supports VPNs and Direct Connect. Plus, it's customizable across multiple availability zones. Imagine hosting a web app. Your VPC can have public subnets for web servers and private subnets for databases, keeping sensitive data secure. It's perfect for any app needing custom networking. That's VPC, your secure cloud network. Experiment in AWS's free tier. Got questions? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.